This is a building that was built in the late 30s, right adjacent to the Colorado State Capitol. It's a beautiful old building clad in marble that needed a complete refresh of its mechanical systems. This is a great example of collaboration from construction through design. Obviously, it's a really old building. They say they don't make them like they used to. That's for sure, and this isn't exactly what we thought it was going to be. So how do we make modifications? How do we keep the construction moving forward?
The team has been good to work with because we brought in the general contractor during design, so we had a lot of discussion early in the process with input from the construction team, which helped create kind of an efficiency in terms of cost and time. And the rest of the design team, the mechanical, electrical, plumbing, they were great to work with, super responsive. As complicated as old buildings can be, it made it as straightforward as we could expect.
We really pride ourselves on working closely with contractors and trying to put ourselves in that mindset of how are we going to build it. With something like this, having a structural engineer who has the open mind, who's willing to take feedback and incorporate that into their design is really what I think makes Calibre a special teammate on this one.
This was one of my first major projects out of college, and I got to work through the drafting, modeling, some design as well. I think as an entry-level structural engineer, you're looking for opportunities to learn and grow in various areas, and just being able to be a part of a project like this early on is great for my career.
One of the really unique parts of this project is on the 7th level, their roof steps back a little bit, and the state wanted to make that a occupiable roof deck because it has really awesome views of the state capitol, of the mountains, and that roof was at a slightly different elevation than the rest of the floor, and it also didn't quite have the capacity to support roof deck loading.
And so that scope required the removal of the existing concrete roof and replacing it with steel frame and then a concrete on metal deck.
I recommend working for Calibre because it gives you the opportunity to work on various projects. Once this is complete, I'll feel very fulfilled to have been part of a team that looked to renovate a historical building such as this one.
We're really thrilled to be working on this project right here in our backyard. We work on things nationwide that we don't get to go to as often as this, where it's really cool to be right here, so visible and really accessible to see.
It's going to be cool to be able to tell friends and family that I've got to help renovate one of the state capitol governmental buildings. Working on historic structures is a challenge. It's kind of why we're engineers, problem solving, and preserving a historic building so that it can be used for hopefully another 90 years. That's always kind of the goal, right? To make a lasting impact on the city and the community, and in this instance, a lot of our legislatures and all that will be able to enjoy this building. So that's exciting to look forward to once it's done.